Alright, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide information that are important for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you're a technical drawing student or engineering student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students or engineering students. Now, it is important that you practice this subject. It is very, very important for you to master it, for you to be good at it, for you to be able to solve any problems that has to do with technical drawing, engineering drawing that comes your way. It is by practicing that you can be able to solve such a problem whenever you come across it. Now, this question that you have been on the screen has to do with the use of the principles of tangency. I want to solve this question, and this question happens to be GCE 2021 question. This is question 2A, and I want to show you how to solve this problem with the use of principles of tangency. Okay, now let's read the instruction for us to know what we need to put in solving this problem so that we can get a maximum score. It carries 12 marks. Now, as we have here, the question says that construct the template shown in figure 2. Show all construction details, including centers of arcs and points of tangency. Now, before I move on to solve this problem, we need to explain some things concerning the diagram itself. So the first is the diameters of the circles. You can see that we have two circles. So the diameter of this circle is 56 millimeters. Diameter of this circle is 32 millimeters, and center distance from here to here, or distance from here to here, as written here, is 90 millimeters. And the radius of this arc that connect these two circles together, the radius is 50 millimeters. Okay, so and then we have a line. So this line is an external tangent to two unequal circles. This is something very, very easy to construct. But for us to construct this arc that will connect these two circles together, or that these two circles will touch externally, we are going to do a simple calculation. Okay, let's look at what we are going to do here to solve this problem. So the first thing that I need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So draw horizontal center line. So I'm going to do it here. So draw horizontal center line like this, and then so draw a vertical center line. Draw a vertical center line here. Okay, so we draw a vertical center line. So I'm doing it so that you can see what I want to do here. So draw a vertical center line, and then from this center, take a measurement of 90 millimeters to the right side. So from this center here, 90 millimeters. So this is 90 millimeters. So draw a vertical center line here too. Okay. Then we divide 56 by 2, and that will give us 28 millimeters. That gives us 28 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 28 millimeters with our compass on our ruler. So this is 28. You put at the center here, and you draw a circle. So draw the big circle. So be careful. So draw the big circle like this. Okay. So the second one, the radius is 32. 32 by 2. That will give us 16. So take a measurement of 16 millimeters with your compass on your ruler and draw the second circle. Okay. So draw the second circle. So this is it. Okay. Then to draw the external tangent, that one is simple. I can just connect this together. So I can just connect this together. So this point. So I'll connect this point and this point together. Okay. So the external tangent, so it goes like this. Okay, so if I ask to show the point of tangency on this, so this point, so this point here, so is the point of tangency. So just put capital letter T there, and here this is also the point of tangency, capital letter T, you put it there. Okay, now so we want to construct the arc that touch the external part of this circle, or these circles touch the external part of that arc. So how can we get that done? So what you need to determine a point around here where you are going to put the pinpoint of your compass after you have taken 50 millimeters, which is the radius of that arc. Then you'll be able to draw that arc and to connect these two circles together. So let's look at that simple calculation that we are going to do. So I will call the radius of this circle, of this big circle, I will call it radius, I will call it R1. Okay, while this one I will call it R2. And the radius of the arc that we are given, I will call that one R3. So I want us to, okay, so what we are going to do here, let's work on this one first. So I want to get RA. So why do I call it RA? So I call this center A, and I call this center B. Okay, so I'm calling it RA. So RA is the sum of R1 and R3. So don't forget that R3 is the radius of the arc that will connect these two circles together. So, and this is equal to, so the radius here is 28, and then plus 50. And then this will give us what? This will give us 78. So we have 78 millimeters. So this 78 millimeters, I will take a measurement of 78 millimeters on my compass, on my ruler, sorry, with my compass 78 millimeters, like this. Okay. So taking 78 millimeters, I will put at this center here, and I will draw an arc down here, like this. Okay. So next, let's get for RB. So RB now. Okay, so this is equal to, so we have what? We have R2 plus R3. Okay, so this is equal to, so the radius here is 16 millimeters, so plus 50. And this will give us what? 66 millimeters. So take a measurement of 66 millimeters with your compass, 66. So there is it. So put it at the center here, at center B here, and you draw an arc here. Okay. All right. So then, after you have located this point, so let me call this point, let me call it point P. So this is centers of arc that we are asked to go. Centers of arcs that we are asked to get. So then you take a measurement of 50 millimeters, which is R3. So take 50 millimeters with your compass, like this, and you put at this center P here. So it will touch this circle. You can see that it has touched this circle at this point. You can see it. It has touched it here. So be very careful. So take it easy. Don't rush. Okay. So this is it. Then you draw like this. So draw this. So you can see that it has touched it. So it has touched it here. So we have drawn the arc and has touched the two circles. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. This is a simple calculation that you can do. And then watch my videos on the principles of tangency for you to learn more, because principle of the tangency, we have them in there are 3 in number. So I've worked on those 3 principles of tangency. Just watch the 3 videos and be able to do it yourself. So, and then before I leave, so this is the point of tangency, and this is the point of tangency. In case you are asked to indicate the point of tangency on the drawing. So that is what I've done here. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.